This week on Cooked at Camp, we're knocking up a watermelon margarita slushy. This cocktail segment is just a snippet from a regular Wild Touring episode exploring the stunning Palm Valley in the Northern Territory. A link to the full trip episode is in the description below. I've just banged a slushy on for the kids, and once they've had theirs, we're gonna have our cocktail. So, this was Tiff's idea.
Well, I just thought, why not continue on with the Mexican theme? Last night we had
Carnitas.
Tacos. Tonight we're having margaritas.
Yeah, so Tiff's idea was to do a watermelon margarita. So what I've done is I grabbed a big chunk. It was a quarter of a really big watermelon. I've chopped it up. I blend it with a bit of Sprite. I've tried to add a little bit of extra sugar. You need sugar for things to freeze up in the slushy machines. And that's all the kids have got. That's going to be their one. And then I'll show you what we're adding to our one.
They've got honey in theirs too, don't they?
Oh, there's a few tablespoons of honey in there as well. That looks pretty good.
Mmm. Yummy.
Is it really?
Show you what we're putting in our ones. I'm gonna go half a cup of tequila. Yeah, that much. Quarter cup of Cointreau, I don't know. You know. And then I'm gonna fill the rest of that glass with fresh lime. So a quarter of a cup of fresh lime, something like that. Squeeze them all in. Now I've got the watermelon juice and the honey, and that's it. Let's pour it, eh? You want to hold that? Oh, you want to pour it? You go on.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to rim your glass first. Hold that. Quick rimming. Lime juice and salt. I don't know about that.
Yeah, maybe just a little bit of salt.
Oh, do you want? Should I just do one? Because you don't think you'll like it, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, it does do a good job though.
Yeah.
All right, ready? Well, it's looking good. Oh,
what is it? What's wrong with it?
It's nice.
What's wrong with it?
It's so bad.
Is it the salt?
No, I think... No, it's not that. Have a taste and you tell me.
What do you think? Good, bad, or medium?
Yeah.
It's bad, eh?
It doesn't make me squirm like you though.
I reckon...
It's white. There's a lot of lime in there. The salt to me reminds me of like
doing a tequila shot.
Being a teenager and doing a tequila shot.
Yeah,
I don't want the salt.
Is that any better?
No.
It's bad, eh? What is it?
It's the tequila. There's too much
Yeah.
tequila.
That was for 1.5 litres of watermelon. I thought that'd be alright. Yeah, I'm going to give it like a 5 out of 10. What are you giving it?
I mean, the kids' one actually tasted really good. Without the tequila, this one's like a 3 or a 2.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Give it a go. Just put less booze in.
Put less tequila in.
Don't rim your glass with salt. I'm not a big fan of tequila anyway. If this was like a daiquiri, like rum based, I probably would have got around it.
It's a shame because that watermelon was nice.
I know. I didn't even buy a cheap tequila either.
No, it was expensive. It was $80.
It wasn't Cooper Pedy though. Everything's expensive in Cooper Pedy. Anyway, I'm going to finish mine and Tiff's. Thank you for watching.
See you next week.
See you then.